Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cream easy way step by step. Chill your bowl and whisk, then pour 1 cup heavy cream, add 2 tablespoons sugar and 1 tsp vanilla, and whisk at medium speed until soft peaks form. Taste and adjust sweetness gently, then use the cream immediately or refrigerate for up to 48 hours. Keep tools cold for a smooth, stable finish. Warm, friendly tip time. Focus on rhythm and feel when whipping cream. Begin whisking slowly to combine ingredients, then increase speed until you see soft peaks lifting from the whisk. If you need firmer cream for decorating, continue to firm peaks but watch carefully to avoid turning it grainy. For small amounts, use a hand whisk, and for larger batches, an electric mixer saves energy and time without sacrificing texture. Quick recommendation. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for durable comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for standing at the counter whipping cream. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more easy kitchen tips. I've linked the socks and extra deals in the description below, so check those out. Now let's get back to the video. Making flavored cream is simple and fun, so feel free to experiment. Gently fold in citrus zest, cocoa, or a splash of liqueur after whipping to keep the texture light and airy. For desserts that need extra stability, whisk in 1 tablespoon powdered sugar or a small amount of cream cheese at the end. Taste as you go and keep additions minimal so the cream stays fluffy and balanced with your dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.